Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to remove PNG background in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. This is PNG file format. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can go to Layers window. If you don't find the Layers window, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. Now I go back to Layers window and I use double click to create a new layer for the image. Next, I want to add the solid color under the image layer. So we can go to bottom, we can find Add Adjustment Layer. Click and I choose solid color and I pick blue color and press OK and put it under the image layer. So we can see that this is a PNG transparent background in the image layer. If we want to remove it, we can select the image and then go to Window and Show Contextual Task Bar. And then we can click Remove Background and wait a moment. After calculation, we can remove the PNG background. So we can see before and after. So this is how we can remove PNG background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.